Welcome to Toronto, a city where glass towers rise beside shimmering lakes and every street tells a story. It's not just a destination, but a vibrant tapestry woven from countless cultures and dreams. Toronto invites you to wander, to get lost in its rhythm, and to discover beauty in unexpected places. The heart of this city isn't found in landmarks alone, but in the laughter in parks, the aroma of street food, and the shared glances on a bustling streetcar. So come with me. Let's explore Toronto together, from the clouds to the cobblestones, and uncover what makes this city truly unforgettable. This isn't just a tour, it's an invitation to experience the soul of Toronto, one beautiful moment at a time. The CN Tower, once the tallest structure in the world, still defines Toronto's skyline. It's a graceful guardian, a beacon that welcomes you home. Ascending the tower, the city unfolds beneath you, streets and parks becoming a living map. From this height, you see Toronto's heartbeat, streetcars, ferries, green spaces, all in motion. For the brave, there's the Edgewalk, a dance on the edge of the sky. Even behind glass, the view is breathtaking, a reminder of human ingenuity and our urge to reach for the clouds. As the light shifts, the tower becomes a silent storyteller, reflecting the mood of the city. The CN Tower isn't just a tourist stop, it's a rite of passage, a place to see Toronto's scale and beauty in a single sweeping glance. Here you feel the city's pulse and its endless possibilities. Just a short ferry ride away, the Toronto Islands offer a peaceful escape from the city's rush. Step off the boat and you're in a world of beaches, bike trails, and storybook cottages. The islands invite you to slow down, wander under willow trees, and discover hidden lagoons and wildflower fields. The beaches offer soft sand and cool waters, with the city skyline as a stunning backdrop. It's a blend of nature's serenity and urban beauty, coexisting in perfect harmony. A small community calls the islands home, creating a unique, timeless way of life. Explore whimsical spots like Centerville Amusement Park and the historic Gibraltar Point Lighthouse. As the sun sets, the skyline becomes a silhouette against fiery skies, and city lights twinkle like stars. The islands are Toronto's backyard, a place for discovery, reflection, and pure magic. It's a perfect, peaceful end to any day in the city. In the Distillery District, 19th-century warehouses become cozy cafes and galleries. Walking these cobblestone streets is like stepping back in time, surrounded by Victorian architecture and echoes of the past. Once the heart of the Gooderham and Worts distillery, these buildings now house vibrant art galleries, boutiques, and performance spaces. The district is a testament to Toronto's ability to honor its past while embracing creativity and connection. Without cars, the area feels peaceful and inviting, perfect for wandering, discovering art, and savoring local food and drink. In summer, the district buzzes with festivals and music. In winter, it transforms into a magical Christmas market. The scent of mulled wine and roasted nuts fills the air, and twinkling lights create a fairy tale atmosphere. The Distillery District is more than shops and restaurants. It's a living, breathing piece of history. Here, every brick and cobblestone tells a story, and every visit creates new memories. It's a place where the past and present meet, inviting you to linger and explore. The district is Toronto's stage for creativity, connection, and celebration. Toronto's street art heart beats in Graffiti Alley, a vibrant, ever-changing outdoor gallery. Just off Queen Street West, this laneway explodes with color, energy, and creativity. Every wall is a canvas, layered with bold murals, intricate portraits, and urgent messages. The art here is democratic, accessible, public, and always evolving. Artists from all walks of life leave their mark, creating a visual dialogue that reflects Toronto's diversity. Graffiti Alley is never the same twice. Masterpieces appear and disappear, teaching you to appreciate the moment. The alley buzzes with life, artists at work, photographers, and curious visitors all mingling in the creative process. It's a testament to the power of art to reclaim space and give voice to the city's spirit. Here, beauty is found in the unexpected, and every spray-painted wall tells a story. Graffiti Alley is the pulse of Toronto's streets, a living, breathing symbol of its creative soul. It proves that art belongs to everyone, and that the city's true colors are always on display. The Royal Ontario Museum, where ancient relics meet futuristic design. Its bold architecture, with the Michael Lee Chin crystal jutting from the historic building, is unforgettable. Inside, you journey through time, from towering dinosaur skeletons to intricate temple art and glittering gems. The museum's galleries inspire wonder, connecting the threads of human history and natural beauty. Here, you see the shared impulses for storytelling and creativity across cultures and eras. The crystal's angular spaces create striking juxtapositions: medieval armor against city streets, ancient artifacts in modern light. The ROM isn't just about preserving the past, it's about sparking curiosity and connecting us to our collective story. Every visit is an invitation to question, learn, and be amazed. The museum is a bridge between worlds, showing that our differences are woven into a shared human experience. It's a place where the wonders of the past inspire the future. The ROM is Toronto's treasure trove, always ready to surprise and inspire. Beneath the city, Ripley's Aquarium of Canada immerses you in the mysteries of the ocean. Step inside and the city's noise fades, replaced by the gentle hum of water and glowing tanks. The journey begins with Canadian waters, but the heart of the aquarium is the dangerous lagoon, a moving sidewalk through a tunnel surrounded by sharks, turtles, and swirling schools of fish. It's a hypnotic, awe-inspiring experience, bringing you face to face with the ocean's most majestic creatures. The Planet Jellies exhibit transforms jellyfish into living art, pulsing in a ballet of color and light. The Rainbow Reef dazzles with tropical fish, a reminder of the ocean's vibrant biodiversity. More than a spectacle, Ripley's is a champion for conservation, inspiring visitors to protect our marine world. Interactive displays and programs foster understanding and stewardship. You leave not just amazed, but with a renewed commitment to the planet's future. Ripley's Aquarium is a window into the wonders and responsibilities of our blue planet. Nathan Phillips Square is Toronto's living room, a place where the city gathers. Framed by the iconic City Hall, it's the heart of civic life, a stage for celebrations, protests, and quiet moments alike. In summer, the Reflecting Pool is an oasis, hosting concerts and festivals that showcase the city's diversity. In winter, it transforms into a beloved skating rink, glowing under festive lights and the famous Toronto sign. The square is a symbol of public assembly, where history is made and voices are heard. Even in quiet moments, it hums with the rhythm of daily life. Friends meeting, couples taking photos, people simply being together. Nathan Phillips Square belongs to everyone, a space for connection and community. It's where Toronto's spirit is most alive, in both grand events and everyday encounters. Here, you feel the city's pulse, joyful, passionate, and united. It's the true heart of Toronto. High Park is Toronto's wild heart, a sprawling green sanctuary in the midst of the city. Each season transforms: the park cherry blossoms in spring, lush picnics in summer, fiery leaves in autumn, and peaceful snow in winter. It's a haven for wildlife and people alike, offering trails, gardens, and rare black oak savannas. Families gather for picnics, children's laughter mixes with birdsong, and every visit brings a new discovery. In autumn, the park blazes with color. In winter, it's a quiet wonderland for reflection. High Park is more than recreation. It's a place for solitude, connection, and renewal. Visit the small zoo, watch a play, or simply sit by Grenadier Pond and watch the swans glide by. The park is a reminder that wilderness and wonder can thrive, even in the heart of a metropolis. High Park offers whatever you need: adventure, peace, or a breath of fresh air. It's Toronto's living canvas, painted anew with every season. As the sun dips behind the towers, Toronto transforms into pure magic. The golden hour bathes the city in a warm, ethereal glow, turning the skyline into a silhouette against fiery skies. The best views are from the water's edge, on a ferry, along the waterfront, or in a lakeside park. The lake mirrors the sky's colors, and the city lights begin to twinkle as day turns to night. It's a moment of peace, a collective pause to admire the beauty and reflect on the day's stories. As darkness falls, the skyline becomes a constellation of lights, shimmering on the water. This transition reveals Toronto's dual nature: ambitious by day, romantic by night. Every sunset is both an ending and a promise of new possibilities. Watching the sun set over Lake Ontario is Toronto's nightly invitation to dream. Toronto is more than a city. It's a feeling, a living mosaic of cultures, colors, and stories. It's the warmth of 1,000 welcomes, the taste of global cuisines, the thrill of city views, and the peace of island shores. Every corner holds a new discovery, every moment a new feeling. Toronto invites you to walk its paths, listen to its voices, and add your own story. Whether you're here for a day or a lifetime, let yourself be swept up in its energy and wonder. The true magic of Toronto isn't just what you see, but how it makes you feel, connected, inspired, and endlessly curious. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more adventures to you.